Good evening, everyone. I welcome you once again to Buchi Online Maths. Today we have this problem before us. We are asked to simplify 1 minus x squared all over x minus x squared. To solve this problem, let us simplify the upper part. After simplifying the upper part, we simplify the lower part. Our aim is to get a common factor that can cancel out each other so that we can simplify this problem or reduce it to the lowest term. Now, the upper part 1 minus x squared is a perfect square. It is a perfect square because 1 itself can be squared, okay? Because 1 squared is the same thing as 1, and when two terms that are squared are joined to each other with negative sign or subtraction sign, they are said to be perfect square because they are connected to each other with subtraction. Okay, now since they are perfect square, to expand perfect square we open two brackets. Okay, since all the terms there are squared, that means 1 is in 2 places, x is also in 2 places. Inside the first bracket, we put down the first one. Inside the second bracket, we put down the second one. 1 is complete. Then we go to x. Inside the first bracket, we put down x. Now the remaining s we put, let me write the s well. Now we go to the next bracket. The sign will change from negative to positive. That's the first thing you need to do inside the second bracket. Then you bring down the second x. Okay? Because when you close this bracket, you will arrive at this perfect square. Alright, so I've shown you how you can, simplify this perfect square by expanding it. Okay? Now, let us now simplify the lower part of the problem to see if we can get factors that can divide each other. So we have seen that perfect square can be expanded like this. 1 minus x plus x. Okay, inside one bracket. Then let's go to the lower part, which is x minus s squared. This is not a perfect square. Okay, this is not a perfect square because x squared is not the same thing as x, so this can never be a perfect square. Now since it is not a perfect square, what we can do is to factorize because x is common here, s is here as well, so we say that s is common. Now because of that, we bring out one of the x outside and open a bracket. Now this x, we divide this x to give you 1, okay? Then minus this x, we divide this x squared to give you x, because x divided x squared will give you x. Okay, so we have x bracket 1 minus x. So this is how to simplify the lower fraction. Therefore, let us combine them together. We have bracket 1 minus x. Let's bring them together, and then 1 plus x. Okay, all over x bracket 1 minus x. Now our aim is to get a common factor that can cancel out each other, and we have seen that 1 minus x will cancel out 1 minus x, and we are left with 1 plus x, remember in brackets, all over x, and this is our answer. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget that this tutorial was brought to you by Buchi Online Maths. Visit our Facebook page, Buchi Online Maths, like and follow us. We are also on YouTube, Buchi Online Maths. Subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.